Hi, Chewy. Hello. Hi, how are you? You relaxed there? Oh my god, he was so relaxed. Look at this. Look at the lie of you. Super relaxed. That's the face of a relaxed, sleepy puppy. What's up, guys? Oh, it is 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm going over to Paddy's house now. We're going to Kilkenny. I'm super excited. So I'm going to stay in his house tonight, and then we'll just drive down in the morning first thing. I'm finished work for the day, which I am actually delighted about because I'm really tired. I didn't sleep well at all last night. I was kind of like worried about poor Angel and stuff, and I kept like waking up and like, oh god, what if something happens here in the middle of the night? She's okay, like she's fine this morning and stuff, but still kind of keeping an eye on her. So I'm okay to go to Kilkenny for the next few days, but I'll still be like keeping in touch with mum and dad and stuff and seeing how she is. I don't know what the plan is for tonight. I don't think we're going to do anything. I think I might go and get a bottle of rosé, the Whispering Angel. I'm dying to try it. I've had like my eye on it for a while. Since like Valentine's Day, I keep like being like, oh, I'll get a bottle of that, get a bottle of that, and I keep forgetting. It's only rosé wine. I don't even know if it's that good. I love Matthew's rosé wine. It's like my favourite rosé wine. I think it's Portuguese. I don't know. I drank it a lot when I was in Portugal. It's yummy. I'm off for the next 2 days. Well, actually 4 days, but I'm off for the next 2 days of work, which I'm actually so excited about. It's just nice to have a couple of days off. So all packed up and ready to go. We're not going to do our anniversary stuff this weekend because our anniversary is next week, but I'm going to have to bring his card, and I got him a candle as well because I won't be home. So yeah, oh my god, I actually completely forgot that. We're going for dinner on Monday night. I didn't really bring anything for dinner wise. I'm gonna just throw a pair of boots into the car because I didn't even think about it. I was like, oh yeah, we're going to Fire for our anniversary, so I won't be home for like a week, so I better like throw a couple more things into the boot of the car, like boots and stuff like that, because I just won't be coming over here. It just won't be happening, and I may as well have everything packed. Thank god I started vlogging. I just thought about that, like dinner, cards, stuff. Come on, Ashton, get your act together. So I'm gonna go do that now. Super excited. I haven't been to Kilkenny in a long time. The last time I was down there, I went kayaking on the River Barrow. Please say that's the right river. But I'm not really good with my old rivers, but I'm nearly certain that's the river I went kayaking on, and I had so much fun. Actually, that was like 2 summers ago. That's crazy. It was so fun. I stayed in Carlow, and then because I think like there was everywhere in Kilkenny was like booked up, it was like a last minute kind of situation booking Carlow, and then I went down to Kilkenny the next day, and it was just so much fun. I really enjoyed Kilkenny, and I often said that I'd love to go back again and actually stay in Kilkenny and do some of the like little touristy things. So I was looking at the weather this morning, and the weather tomorrow is supposed to be 21 degrees, and the weather the next day is 20 degrees. So I'm very happy that we picked this weekend to go, because it seems like it's going to be a really nice weekend. Have you guys any nice plans for the weekend? Probably by the time I put this vlog up, it'll be Monday or Tuesday. So I'm just wondering if you've any major plans, or what you were doing, or what did you get up to. I hate when I edit vlogs of like when I've been away and like I'm looking forward to going away, and then I'm editing and I was like, oh, I was so excited to be going away, and now I'm home again. Brought my laptop with me as well because I'll probably work in Paddy's on Monday, because we're going out that night. So I'll just work there, get dressed, get ready, and go out to Fire. I don't know what to wear. I picked up like, or I brought with me like a skirt and a top, and then I have like jeans and boots, because these days I don't know what way the weather does me. I really don't. Like, I pack for all seasons, because you never ever know. Like sometimes you think the weather's going to be really nice, and then it ends up being crap, and then sometimes you're dressing for like torrential rain and just really cold weather, and then it's scorching and you didn't bring anything proper at all to wear in the scorching weather. But hopefully I have packed sufficiently. Anyway guys, next time I'm talking to you, I'll probably be road tripping it down to Kilkenny. Morning guys, we're going to Blanche first. He's driving today.
I don't know who the fuck you're talking to.
Myself. And you. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go away on holidays for 2 days down in Ireland. Same clothes as well. We are wearing same. Yeah, but you're wearing different pants.
You stop copying me.
I'm wearing the same top as I was wearing yesterday because I left my bag in the boot and I didn't bother getting changed. Oh yeah, there's stuff in the side pocket there. I may have had some popcorn and a fulfilled bar. As always. And we've nothing booked for dinner wise, so I don't know what we're gonna do. I have masks. Oh, actually, I have a mask for you. So my mum got us these fabric masks, and there's one for you and one for me, and they're black, so they match our outfits. How great. So yeah, we have to wear it. Well, I don't even know if we have to.
It smells funny.
It smells like, it doesn't smell funny. My mum washed them.
Yes, I do.
My mum washed them. They came out of the washing machine. They should be clean. Maybe it's the right way on.
How do I look?
Looking well.
Yeah.
Keep that on, actually. I think you look better with it.
And a nice comfortable slip away to sleep like.
I get chopped. My favorite. It is not closed. Caesar. Tell me. Happiest you've ever been? Is that under full order? He's got the goods, he's got the goods.
Search.
Yay!
New customers only.
Looks really nice, actually. I barely see it. Someone asked me what a chopped was on my last vlog. That's what a chopped is. It's delicious. Better.
It is, yeah.
That's nice.
More spicy.
Chopped was delicious. I always get the same thing: spinach, chicken, tomato, sweet corn, green olive if they have it. They haven't had it in a while, so it's black olive. Croutons, cheese, and Caesar dressing. Delicious. I love it. My favorite thing ever. I also picked up meanies. Someone else was asking me about them in another video. I picked up a big share bag. That's what meanies look like. They're from Tato. They're Irish. They're pickled onion flavour. They're the most delicious crisps ever. My favourite. Absolutely adore them. If you like, obviously I don't think you can get them in any other country. I think they're just plain or basically Irish. I must actually do like maybe a taste test video or something of like all the Irish food, because I think that'd be kind of fun. Just in the hotel. We're in our room. It's really nice. It's quite small though. It's cozy. It looks nice. It's like a typical Irish hotel. You have your closet here, which is a big mirror. There I am. You have your door here to the bathroom. And then this is what the room looks like. I'm just set up a fan because the window obviously doesn't open, and there's no aircon in this room because it's an oldish enough room. So then you have your bed, and then your other bed, which Patty sleeps here, I sleep here, obviously. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's kind of standard, it's nice, it's small, but like, it's fine. We're only staying here for 2 days. The guy was really nice at reception. I was asking him about hotels, restaurants and stuff, and he was giving me like loads of nice restaurants to go to. So it's really nice. I'm just happy to be away for 2 days. We can use the pool. We have to like clock in or log in or book in or something. And you can only use it for 50 minutes, and you can only use the restaurant in the morning for breakfast for 50 minutes as well, which is great. so I'm happy out. But yeah, I'm excited just to stay down here and do absolutely nothing for 2 days. The best thing ever. Hi guys, we're back from dinner. I forgot to bring my vlogging camera, so I just did a bit of it on my phone. But we just had like a 3-course meal. I'm absolutely stuffed. So I had duck, steak, and then like a mixture of desserts. So I am fit to pass out, but it was so delicious. Like obviously we're on a holiday, so it doesn't really matter. So I will vlog a little bit more for you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed it so far today, and I'll talk to you all then. Oh, actually, I'm wearing this top from Penny's. I know a lot of people asked about this before my last vlog. It's lovely and looks nice and everything, but it's quite scratchy. The arm bits here are like really scratchy. I'm wearing these high heels that are tie-ups, and the laces like came undone when I was walking down like walk into the room. Could have tripped and killed myself. We also did the swimming pool, so we just did swimming pool and the jacuzzi, which was fine, and there was only like 4 or 5 people allowed in at the same time, and you had to book like dinner and like book your slot and everything. Like you weren't able to just walk in anywhere, which is really good. Like, and they've everything kind of like laid out well. We're gonna hit the hay. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.